Next topic is 3.10.3 essential list functions like length, sum, min, and max. These are some important functions used in a list. Let's see one by one. Count items using length. If you want to count the number of elements, you can use length function. Compute total using sum function. Find smallest number, largest number, min, max, average. We can apply different types of functions. Next is when to use these functions. These are quick summary of list content, very useful for report and check. Example, using all four functions, num equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is a list. Print count, it will display as it is and it will count the length of the num. How many lengths are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will show count equal to 5. Sum equal to sum, it will add the sum. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. What will be the answer? 4 plus 5, 9, 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. It will display sum is 25. Then print smallest number is 1. It will display 1. Print largest number is 9. It will show 9. Then output 5, 25, and smallest number is 1 and largest number is 9. Next, show each element with its positions. If you want to show each element with its position, what you will do, you can use range function. Here is the range function. Length of list name is the nums. Then it will show this one is the string as it is. It will display and then I plus 1 and then it will display the elements of the list. Okay. Now this is summary. Length L, number of items. Sum of L, it will show the total number of means sum of the elements, and min L, minimum number in the list, max number in the list, like that. Okay. Length 10, 20, 30 give you 3. It will give you 3 because length of this list is 3. Multiple choice question number 2. Sum 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 9. It will give you 9. 8, 4, 6. Minimum number is 4. It will display 4. Multiple choice question number 4. Max number is -1, -5, -2. Max number is -1. Okay, it will show -1. Question number 5. Sum A, B will give you, because this is a string and you cannot perform a sum on these string values. Okay, it will give you error. Question number 6. What is the output of length of empty? It will shows in empty length. Okay, mean it will shows length of this is 0. Question number 7. If L 5, 10, 15, what is the sum of L? Mean length of L. For example, sum is, they have written sum divided by length. 5, 10, 15, 15 plus 15, 30 divided by length of L. How many length of L is there? 1, 2, 3. Length of L is 3 and it will give you 10. Answer is 10. These are the answer keys. Programming task number 1. Create marks 65, 78, 81, 72 and print count, total, minimum and max. You have written marks 65, 78, 81. Print count, length, marks, then sum of the marks, then minimum of the marks, max of the marks. Run the program. They are showing 4. Why it's showing 4? Because there are 4 number are there. Okay, 4 marks are there. 4 student marks are there. List of items are 4. Total 296. Minimum number is 65 and maximum number is 81. If you will apply the change, now 72 will move to 100 and then 3. What happened when you will run the program and check the outputs? See, count equal to 6 now, total equal to 399, minimum number is 3 and maximum number is 100. Okay. So next is programming task 2. Create fee 120, 150, 90 and display the average equal to sum over length. Okay. Then what I will do, see, this is a fee equal to 120, 50, 90. Average, how I will get the average? Average equal to sum of the fee and divided by length of the fee. Then it will shows me average. Run. Okay, average is 120. Average is 120. Okay. And if you want to show the sum, you can also display the sum. Print sum equal to, you will write sum equal to, in which variable? You will write sum of fees. Okay, this is a built-in variable, built-in function. And then same way you are writing control C, sum and count. Here you can use the length, means how many variables are there, mean how many elements are there in the list. Length of this, you will write count. When you will run the program, it will display the, see, sum equal to 360, count equal to 3 and average equal to 120. If you will increase 120, run the program, it will change automatically. Sum equal to 480, count equal to 4 and average are 120. Okay. Next program is take 33513 and print how many items are in L and whether 1 is the smallest. Okay. This is the third program. L equal to, these are the list 33513. Print items. How many items are there? It will display the length of the list and smallest is 1. They will shows that minimum of L equal to 1. They will shows true or false. Okay. I want to run it again. Run the program. Now it display me total items are 5. Smallest is 1. True? Yes, smallest is 1 in the list. If you will write 0, suppose. If you will write 0, what happened? Run the program. Now in this case, they are showing me items are 6 and smallest is 1, false. Mean 1 is not a smallest number. In this way, you can check the biggest number also. Okay, largest number. Okay, so clear? Now, so if you have any doubt or anything related to this lecture, please you can write me in comment. If you wish to, you want some more programs on any topic, please you can write me in comment. I will help you.